Hello, so in this one we are going to see how we use Helm in our application and packages it to deploy it to the cluster. So as you can see over here, we have like deploy folder in our application repository, which contains the Helm chart to deploy this application to the cluster. So if I can see in chart.yaml, we are using this sticator application chart as a dependency over here. And then in the values.yaml, we are defining all the necessary things to deploy this application. So if I can just go over here and show you the application chart repository, and which contains all this template manifest to deploy an application. So it's simply use using Helm, we can just define our values to deploy this application and roll back and use the version controlling into our app GitOps repository. Let's say if I want to roll back and goes to the 1.0 version of this application, I can just simply change the version over here and then just uh, push those changes and then goes to Argo CD and just wait for it to get sync, or I can just push it a little faster and just do a hard refresh. If I can just go over here and see, now the comments get detected and now it will just change my application, roll back to 1.0. And yeah, now you can see the image 1.0 is in progress and it gets synced and deployed. I can verify it and go to dev environment pod and can show you from here. If I see now, the application get rolled back to 1.0.0 version of it. So yeah, that's how we use Helm in our application and packages it to Helm and use its benefit to roll back application.